Now let's look at bash commands part 8. Now let's look at the shebang command. The shebang command is used to denote the path to the script interpreter. When used in a bash script, the full command is usually shebang/bin/bash. Shebang is denoted !! Here's some example code. The following shebang command would be placed at the beginning of a text file that we want to run as code. Now let's look at the head command. The head command prints out the first 10 lines in a text file. When used with the -n flag and the number n, the command prints out the first n lines of the text file. Here's some example code. If we say seek 15 and pipe to head, we get the first 10 lines, which are the numbers between 1 and 10. If we enter in seek 15 and pipe to head -n8, we get the numbers 1 through 8. Now let's look at the tail command. The tail command is very similar to the head command, except we pick the last lines in a text file. Similarly, when we use the -n flag and the number n, we get only the last n lines of the text file. Here's more sample code. If we say seek 15, pipe it to tail, we get the last 10 lines of the seek command. If we say seek 15 and pass it to tail -n8, we get the last 8 lines of the seek command. Now let's look at the ~sign command in bash. The ~sign command feeds data into standard in without having to write it explicitly into the shell. This means we can actually take data from a file and redirect it to a program using this command. Here's some example code. If I say tail -n5 and I redirect the input seek 10 into it, we'll get the values from 6 to 10. Here's the uniq command. The uniq command deletes adjacent pairs of identical lines in the input file. Here's some example code of the uniq command. If we say uniq echo1 sequence 3, the input passed to uniq is 1123, and uniq will trim off the first 1. Here's a live demo of these commands. Now let's play with some of these commands. We can say echo /# bin bash redirect to c.sh, echo cat $1 redirect to c.sh, seek 15 redirect to temp, seek 8 redirect to temp, echo 8 redirect to temp, cat temp. So this shows all the numbers are inside temp currently. If we say uniq forward to temp, forward from temp, then we delete the last pair of 8s because they were the same. We can also say head n7 temp. This gives us the first 7 lines of temp. Tail -n3 temp. This gives us the last 3 lines of temp. And then at the very beginning we redirected some commands into c.sh, so we can say cat c.sh. These are the commands that are in c.sh. We can run that by doing /c.sh temp. So this will pass temp in as an argument into the script, and then it'll dump out the contents of temp. If you liked this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Tune in for part 9.